You can feel the tension in the air. Dropping a key player is always a risky strategy, but the manager is standing by his decision.
Behind the central striker, we may see the wide midfielders cut in and the fullbacks push on, while the defence is still protected.
Oh, so, look at this! A truly magnificent start. An early goal in the game, just what they were hoping to produce.
Well, the move was all about the lightning pace of the break. They burst out from the back so quickly, and then through on goal, he decides to go for power. Absolutely smashes it past the keeper, and you have to say it was a good finish.
So the ball rolling again, with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Loïc Badet. Really getting stuck in. Fernandez. Now, a goal to update you on in the Leipzig game. Alex Scott will tell us more.
It's a goal for Hoffenheim. Nice build-up play, and when the space opened up, boy, did he take it well. It's all even Stevens at 1-1 with 15 minutes played.
Alex, thank you very much. Nice weight on the pass. And quick thinking defensively. Oh, and a penalty has been awarded. Can they extend their lead? And the penalty is converted. A goal it is. And now he can exhale.
Well, have a look at this. The keeper doesn't move, expects him to hit it straight at him. Makes for a simple finish in the end.
So the ball rolling again. 2-0 the score. Tapsoba. So half-time, closing the book on the first half here at the Bay Arena.
Become much bigger. When you leave out the big gun, it'd better... Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'll be joined for commentary by Sue Smith, the former England forward. And we have action from the final game of the Bundesliga season to bring to you. What are we going to get from this one, Sue?
Well, it's been a great season, hasn't it? Plenty of drama at both ends of the table.
Oh, he's done well to get past his man. Oh, chance! It's there! That changes things. A goal for 1-0.
Ball over the top, perfectly weighted to set it up. And from that kind of distance, you back him every time. Cool, composed, and a simple finish in the end.
And the game restarts with the score 1-0. That's not a bad-looking ball. Possession lost and won. Hearing there's been a goal at Stuttgart, so let's cross to Alex Scott.
Yes, it's a goal for Stuttgart. They've won the opener with 38 minutes played.
Fantastic, Alex, thank you. That's a free kick, and you couldn't choose many better spots for one. Might be in. Orkun Kökçü. Christos Solis. And on that whistle, the first half comes to an end. underway with the second half. And that's nicely won to see off the threat. I'm hearing of a goal at the Red Bull Arena. Let's get over to Alex Scott.
It's a goal for Leipzig. It's now 1-0, 48 minutes on the clock.
Thanks, Alex, as always. Really nice build-up play as they look to add to their lead.
Yeah, I'm loving this passage of play, Guy.
Promising looking ball. Taking advantage there to win the ball. Lovely setup. Oh, surely. And they've scored again. That puts them further in front. What a position to be in.
Well, this is great. I really like the way he slipped past his marker here.
This is it, the last act of a drama that's truly delivered. The curtain's ready to fall, but only one team of stars will be taking a bow at the end. It's on the way for you next, right here on EATV. Welcome to the world-famous and historic Parc des Princes. I'm your commentator, Guy Mowbray, and I'm delighted to have Stuart Robson's expertise alongside me, and everything is set up nicely to give us a really good match. What can we expect from the game then?
This should be a top-class game between two excellent teams. Whoever gets control of that midfield area should win the game, but I think this is too close to call.
Played into the box. Possession lost just at the point of something happening.
Well, that's a good turnover, isn't it?
Oh, chance! The ball is still alive. It's in now, and you can see immediately from the goalkeeper's reaction, he knows he had to do better than that.
When you look at this again, there's two things wrong defensively about this. First of all, the goalkeeper should not be parrying it into a dangerous area, and the defenders have to be sharper to get to the knockdown. It's not good defending all round.
Cardona. Beautifully weighted ball. Puts the ball into the box. And it's there to equalise. Settle in for the rest of this. A great game already.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and look at the pressure he was under there. It makes a very good header become an excellent one.
That's how to clear it. Read the pass well and cuts it out. Closed it down well.
Read it really well.
And the referee's whistle means we're going into extra time. Looking closer, maybe closer to a winning goal. To put them ahead. Oh, that must mean the cup's been won. What incredible late drama. What a moment for them. Now they can start to think about the celebration
here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. But there's still plenty for him to do. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he's just able to keep him at bay and finishes with aplomb. It's a great goal.
Here we go then, the last knockings of a game that might just have been won. Not long left.
Well, here's the replay. The pass over the top has just the right amount of pace on it. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
And we're back underway at 3-1. Instinct there to cut it out. There's the cut inside. And the attack is over. Really good defending. And that full-time whistle will sound so sweet. They've done it.
They certainly have, and they deserve to do it as well. They were the better team today. They were absolutely excellent.
Disappointment on one side is mirrored by wonderful scenes of celebration. All those tired legs are forgotten now.
Well, just look at the joy on these players' faces. Absolutely incredible. Really good spirit and a great performance.
Now the players gather their thoughts, the handshakes begin, and they go up to receive their prizes.
Well, it's now just beginning to sink in. They are the winners of this great cup.
There will be so many emotions running through the heads of all of these players. And now the big moment, the trophy lift itself.
And now the celebrations can begin. Not just the players, but also the fans, the coaching staff, everybody involved with this club. What a performance it's been.
I really don't think they want